How to edit a post in Reddit. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now to edit your post on Reddit, first of all you have to get to reddit.com. So open up any web browser and then type reddit.com. After that, you will get to Reddit. Now log into your account. Once you log in and there is a post in your account that you would like to edit, now go to your post and under their post, select the post that you would like to edit. Now in that post there you will find three dot icon, click on it. From this drop down box, click on edit post. Now you can edit your post. You can change the content of your post. You can make it bold, italic, and there are a few other options right here. So after you're done editing your post, simply click on this save button. After that, your post will be changed and then saved. So that's the way to edit your Reddit post, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.